Well, I've been working on the island of Aruba for a number of years now, worked on the streetcar, the Main Street redesign, and I'm delighted to see the changes. Main Street was very crowded during the holiday season. It was wonderful. Every streetcar that I saw was totally full, and we talked about how we might be able to expand some of the urban design features. We already see a lot of great activity along the waterfront, and we're hoping to bring even more activity to Oranjestad. We've been talking about getting some of the leading thinkers in the world to possibly come to Aruba and discuss some opportunities. And there are a lot of low-cost solutions that people are using across the United States and Europe. And I've traveled to many of these places, and I think some of them may be very apropos for Aruba. Aruba was first, and that's really wonderful to see. And Miami is now looking at this technology. Charleston, South Carolina is looking at it. Doha in Qatar and a few other places in the Middle East are beginning to look at the technology. In New York City, we're actually looking at this technology for Brooklyn and Queens. I just completed writing a book called Street Smart, The Rise of Cities and the Fall of Cars, and it's largely about North American cities and some European cities. But I think the story of Aruba has to be told also, and the rejuvenation and the extraordinary work by the Prime Minister, the Minister of Infrastructure. It's really a showcase of what can be done even on a relatively small island.